Hi friends, this is Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today in this video we are going to unbox it and discuss about its price, specification and features. So have a look. Now we will see some of the photos clicked by this tab from its front camera. So these are some photos I have clicked. Look at this. Photos are of good quality, inspired being in tab. So Samsung camera is good here.
So I have the Wi-Fi plus LTE model. So its price is 32,000 in August 2020. So it has two slots. One is of SIM and another is of memory cards. So we can do calling also from this tab, and battery backup is good as if I use. So sound quality is good, and this tab has a stereo speakers which is quite impressive, and there is so much bass in this entire tablet. So for me the sound quality is very good and impressive, and you can experience a good video quality on this tab is very good, and you can watch 4K videos on this 10.4-inch display, and it gives you good experience when it comes to watching the videos.
So this tab comes with S Pen, and there's one good feature, like when the screen is off of your tab you can scribble it down, anything which comes to your mind, no need to, and you can save it afterwards also. Now let's come to the drawing test. I have drawn something like this, and it is completely natural experience, like you are jotting down something on the paper. So it is same, the experience is very good and you can make points, and it is very good for students also, and there is no need to charge this S Pen. It comes with, like, you can attach on your tab and it is charged also like this. It is magnetic. There's one more cool feature in which you can do the animated drawing with S Pen like this. Like this you can draw. And you can make the video and send it to your loved ones. So overall, the experience is good with this tab. Thanks for watching.